Hi there. So in this video we are going to talk about PHP arithmetic operators. So what are arithmetic operators? That is plus, minus, division, multiplication, modulus, exponential. These are the arithmetic operators, and we all know this basic mathematics. So let's start using these arithmetic operators in the PHP. So I'll continue using my repo. I'll add new file. So as you know, these all operations can be operate on two numbers. So first let's define two numbers. So number one will be 10, number two will be 2. Now let's try addition. So I'm going to add sum. Okay, result equal to num1 plus num2, and then we will try to echo result. Sorry. So now I'm going to access that file. Let me zoom in. PHP tools arithmetic operations, and we are seeing 12. 10 plus 2 equal to 12. So this is very simple. Plus similarly subtraction, if I subtract this we will get 8. Then multiplication, so we will get 20. Then the division, so number 1 divided by 2, it will give us 5. Yes, 5. Pardon my maths. Then modulus. So what is modulus? First let's see. It should give 0 because uh, 10 can be divided by 2. Now if I change this number, so actually 10 cannot be divided by 3. So it will give us a modulus number, and it should be 1. Yes, because um, 3 3s are 9, and 9 is the most nearest number to 10 and less than 10. So we will get 10 minus 9 equal to 1. So that 1 is the modulus number. So that's that. I hope you remember the maths. Otherwise, yeah, just follow this instruction. And then exponential or exponential, whatever it is. So let's say, so this means multiply 10 2 times. So this means number 1 exponential number 2, that means whatever we add here, we need to multiply this number this times. So in our case it will be 10 into 10. and it should give 100. Okay, let me save this file first. And so similarly, if we add 3, so it should give us 1000, because 10 into 10 into 10, this means this. So yeah, these are some arithmetic operators. Thanks for watching the video.